Mr. 300C in the building. We in the garage again. Beautiful 300. Got my heaters on. Your boy learning. That boy learning. But guess what? Tonight we are going to be doing some tail light tinting. Nightshade, baby, VHT. Gonna do 2 coats. I did that last time on my old 300 5.7 liter Hemi. Came out good, so I'm gonna do the same thing with this one. I'm gonna take the tail lights out this time, and I'm gonna put them in these little boxes right here so I can spray everything. I'm not gonna do a whole video on how to take the tail lights out because when I put in my reverse LED bulbs, pretty much walked you through that process, so you guys can watch that video again if you want to, but I'm gonna get this done as quick as possible. So, taking the taillights out, putting it over there in those 2 boxes, shaking up the can, and we'll get started. All right, taillights are out. That literally took me like 4 minutes to take these off. Beats prep work, super easy. So all I did is I took my microfiber towel to wipe off any extra dust. And now I'm gonna get some paper towel, get some rubbing alcohol so I can get off some of these impurities, any wax, dirt. And then I will get the spray can ready and we will start to tint, baby. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Got the tail lights cleaned with the rubbing alcohol. Sure did. Stood them upright.
How'd you do so, Mr. 300C? How'd you do that, man?
Little plastic, little cardboard corner holders. I had to build a table today for my IKEA, so I'm like, I can use these little things to prop it up. But you can find something else to hold it up with. This will make it easy for me to spray the tint. All right, first coat is on. Looks good, looks good. Once I do the second coat, it says it will dry to the touch in about an hour. And then in 3 hours, it'll be safe to handle. And then 24 hours for it to cure. All right, second coat is on. Looks super dark, but it's dark in the garage, so don't worry, it's gonna come out nice. Light will still go through. Don't even trip, know what I'm saying? Don't even trip. All right, gonna let this dry. And then we will do a video in the daytime so you guys can see what this looks like. All right, it's a new day. Tinted tail lights. I'll do another video when the car is clean, but I gotta let this cure. Looks good, not too dark. Catch you guys on the next one. Mr. 300C is out. Peace.